Hello guys. Sorry that I didn't create a lot of videos for a long time. I'm pretty sorry about that. I about but I just want to tell you that I was just in Morocco. Okay. And I'm creating a series in Built Boat for Treasure in Roblox about these 10 saves that I have, and I put the first one, the pyramid. So I'm gonna play with it right now. I hope you like the video and and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. And for the rest of the video, I won't talk. So yeah. So okay. Sorry guys. So okay. The ship made it a 5 levels out of 10, which is 50%. So she gets a medium. But that score was quite good actually.